In class, I am your English teacher of class 5th. In this video, we will do the reading of chapter number 3, which is on page number 11. So open page number 11. Our chapter number is 3 and chapter name is The Snake with a Golden Tail. Far, far away in a village in Assam, there lived a farmer who was very poor. He had a wife whose name was Sujata, and they had 7 sons. The farmer and his wife worked very hard to support their family. Every day from morning till evening, the farmer worked in his field. Sujata looked after the home. She swept the house, fetched water from the river, gathered firewood in the jungle, and cooked food for the family. But the 7 sons were the laziest young men ever born in this world. They did nothing at all to help either their father or their mother, although the family was so poor. This made their mother very sad and she prayed to God for help. "Oh God, give me another son," Sujata prayed. A son who will be of help us. Now come to the next page. This is the picture of Sujata and this is the picture of his husband. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 12. The people of village said that her next child would certainly be a lucky child. The farmer and his wife sure that they would get a son who would be different from the 7 sons they had. But when the next baby was born, alas, it was not an ordinary baby at all. It was a long snake. As soon as the snake was born, it crawled out of the house and disappeared into the jungle. Sujata was very sad that a snake had been born to her, and she was even more sad than that the snake had run away. She cried and cried for many days because her luck was so bad. One night Sujata has a dream. She dreamed that her snake son was lying on her lap and that he said, "Don't be sad about me, mother. I have been born a snake because of a curse." "What curse?" she asked him. "I was a very rich man," he replied, "and I had stored up a lot of gold. I did not give anything to anyone, not even to my mother. She died for want of food while I had plenty of money hidden away. It was because I committed this great sin that I was born as a snake. Now I shall pay for my wickedness by giving you every day 1 inch of gold." "1 inch of gold? How?" asked Sujata. "Every day," said the snake. "I shall come to the house for a cup of milk, and when I have drunk it, you must cut off an inch of my tail. It will turn into gold, but it will hurt you, my child," cried Sujata. "No, mother," said the snake. It will not do me any harm." The dream was over. The woman got up and looked to see if the snake was in the room, but it was nowhere. Still, she believed in the dream. She knew it would come true. Come to the next page. The next morning, she placed a cup of milk on the floor of the room and waited patiently for the snake to come. Soon the snake came in, drank up all the milk. He then looked at his mother. Sujata knew that the snake was asking her to cut off an inch of his tail. Her hand trembled as she held the knife, but she remembered her dream and quickly cut an inch of the snake's tail. The piece immediately turned into gold. The snake then went away and disappeared into the jungle. From the day onwards, the snake went to the house every morning. First he drank the milk and then Sujata cut off an inch his tail. Now the family was no longer poor. They all had enough to eat and good clothes to wear. The 7 sons began to enjoy themselves. They began to spend money freely. They spent more and more, and soon they found that the share they received out of the 1 inch of gold was not enough for them. "We want more money," they said to their mother. "We got 1 inch of gold every day," Sujata replied. "We must do with what we have." The eldest boy said, "I am sure our snake brother would not mind if you were to cut off more than 1 inch of his tail. He can understand our difficulties, and I am sure he would be only too willing to help us." "No," said Sujata, "I could not possibly cut more than 1 inch." But the sons would not give in her any peace. Day after day pestered her. They argued with her to take more than the inch of snake's tail, and one day Sujata agreed. "Perhaps it won't do any harm," she thought. The next day when the snake came, she gave him milk as usual. Then she took her knife and cut off 2 inches of his tail. Immediately the snake started. Now come to the next page, page number 14. Started bleeding, and within a few minutes he was dead. His mother was greatly shocked and was plunged into deep sorrow. Her 7 sons came and found her weeping. They took the 2 inches of tail which had been cut off, but they found that it had not turned into gold. "Alas," they cried, "we have no gold, and the snake is dead." Then they too all began to weep. This story is written by Shankar. Now you have to read this word treasure and learn them. This is the reading of the chapter. In the next video we will do the explanation. Till then, thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.